All right, this is going to be Celebration Day, the live version by Led Zeppelin from Song Remains the Same. We're going to start it with this G7 chord. Okay, so that was G7, 5, 7, 6, 7 on the bottom 4 strings. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then up a half step, and then up another half step and include the A bass. Then we have our next riff is going to go. Okay, so what we have there is an open A, and then a pull off 7 to 4 in the D with an extra 4 there. So we'll actually do that twice. So 7 4 4 7 4 4, and then we're going to go 5 4 4 5 4 4 5 4. So it's. So the 5/4 has one little extra 5/4, but it doesn't finish a full set of things, you know? So it's like 2 of those, and then 2 of those plus one more pull off without the extra 4, right? So all right, we're gonna do that 4 times. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we get into our new part. We got. So we have an A power chord, open in 2, open on the A, 2 below it. A little bit of a bend on that 3 on the A string. Back to the A chord. Come up here to this 7th fret. You could slide it or just kind of put it up there, but we're going to be up here for this high chord here, this A7 chord again. So we got. Come back to the 3/0, and then we're going to have, so that's 5 to 2 with an extra 2, 4 to 2 with an extra, we got that bent note again, so we got, so the second half of that is just going to end with, so it's like the open in 5 to the open 2 to the open in 4, and then like the A to the 3 with a little bend. So that's our part A that happens the most times on the song. So it's like. Okay, so junk, ja, junk, ja, junk. A little different than the first with the. It's like. Okay, so if we look at the whole beginning again, we got. Okay, so it ends up doing that like 5 times. It does 1 to set up a verse, and then 4 times of the verse. And then we're going to get into a. So we're going to have like this C power chord, 3 and 5, starting on the A string. And you can kind of do this honky tonk thing with that 7 in there sometimes. First one might not quite have that. It might come in a little bit later. So like C, and then open E, F sharp power chord to G. So we got. So we have that little honky tonk in the G chord with that 7th fret. And then 5 and 7, A power chord to B flat power chord. So it's like. Kind of some scratches on this live version. So once again, we got C, F sharp, G, A, B flat, open E to the F, and then now here we're going to end on that B flat. We're going to get into a new thing. This part of an F chord, 3, 2, 1 here, and the D down to the B. So this is like an F thing, 3, 2, 1 on the D string down to the B. And we have an E chord there. Okay, and then we're back to our main riff. Now we have a bridge. We got okay, so we got 7 on the G, 7, 5, 6, and then the 7s on the G and B. So it's and then 7s, 5s, 7 on the D, and then 7, 5, 7s, 7s, 5s, 7. A couple quick 7s. Some scratches there, so it'd be like. Okay, then we're back into part A once after that bridge. Okay, then we're into that part B. Now we have the solo. Back into part A, so the solo is, we have 3 bends on the 15th fret of the B string. The third one pulls off to the 13, bend this again, then not bent 15 to the 12 and the G. And then one more 12. This is a quick slide, 13 to 14, middle finger on the G. You got 13 and 15, 13 pull off, so you got. So you had the slide, and then 14, another pull off, back into here, so we got. So that was 15, 13 on the B, little 15, and then bend this 15 on the second string 3 times. And then you could have a little pickup note with the open B. So we have, after that open on the B, we have a 8-5, and then 2 8-5s on the second string, and then a 7-5. So we got 7 we bend, 3 times, pull it off to the 5, and then bend the 7 up, regular 7, 5. So we got. Go to that 5 on the D. And then we have one pickup note before we get into these 2 16th note sets. So it's pickup note here, and then 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. So here we have a pull off, a couple 5s there to a little 8, the octave of that 5, and then we have. So we're going into 14 and 13 on the G and E. 2 of those, 13 and 12 a couple times, and that's the end of the solo. So it's. So that was do da dee da do dee da do da. Okay, then we're back into part A. Okay, then we have that bridge. A part again, a couple times, and then there's a solo that happens. Now this, I'm just gonna show you the areas that he's working in. He likes to do riffs with like pull-offs on the 2 to open, and also these 4s. So kind of listen, and he's improvising real heavily on that. But you can also use that 4 up here, come back to the A. That's one of the areas he's working in. Another one is, this is like in the A major pentatonic area, so he's got this bend. Little 5 down there, and then he gets into some things like, so that's and he'll kind of go into that lower area of it, and then he'll get into like the A minor pentatonic area. Then you get into that lower area, he'll bend these notes, bend some of those things, and then he'll get way up here in the A major pentatonic again. So that's that 17s and 14s, 16s and 14s. So bending that 16 into the 17 down there. Okay, we're back into part A again a couple times. And then we got, so you got a couple chicks, and then this is it's like an A flat 7/9 chord, like James Brown funk chord. You got chicka boom boom. So your bass note's on the 11 going into the 12. So it's chicka, chicka chicka, chicka chicka, and then da-dum. Okay, Celebration Day live from Song Remains the Same, Led Zeppelin, the mighty Jimmy Page on guitar. This guy's 2 pages of tabs. Hope you all dig it. Peace out.